Hey everyone, welcome to Find the Animal World, Animal Edition. In this fun challenge, you will be presented with a scrambled or partially hidden animal name. Your task: decode the word and identify the animal. Ready to test your animal knowledge? Let's get started. Here's how it works. For each puzzle, you will have 5 seconds to guess the animal name. The word might be scrambled, have missing letters, or to be presented in a tricky way. Think fast and trust your instincts. What animal is this? This is a lion. What animal is this? This is a wolf. What animal is this? This is an otter. What animal is this? This is a panda. What animal is this? This is a koala. What animal is this? This is a hippo. What animal is this? This is a boar. What animal is this? This is a bird. What animal is this? This is a fox. What animal is this? This is a cat. Great job! How many did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments below which one stumped you and which ones you got right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fun challenges. Until next time, keep your brain sharp and your love for animals strong. Thank you.